Mushrooms are rich in proteins and fibers. They also help to build a strong immune system. Hello viewers, welcome back to another video from Passion to Cook. I'm your host Shruti Shammi. Today I'm making mushroom pepper fry, a restaurant style recipe that can be served with hot rice and rotis. So let's see how to prepare mushroom pepper fry. First of all, I'm going to prepare a batter mix for which I've taken half cup of all-purpose flour and a quarter cup of cornstarch. I'm going to season it with 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic and some salt. Mix all the ingredients and also add enough water to form a smooth batter. Mix well without forming lumps. Once done, add in the mushrooms. I have taken 500 grams of button mushrooms. Mix well until the mushrooms are well coated with the batter. Next, we will shallow fry the mushrooms. To a heated pan, add enough oil to shallow fry them. Shallow fry until they are golden brown. Once done, remove and place it on a kitchen tissue. Continue the same with the remaining mushrooms. Now we are done with the frying. Next, I'll be preparing the masala to stir fry the mushrooms. To a heated pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets heated up, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Saute for a while and add 1 cup of chopped onions. Add in some chopped green chilies. Next goes in few strands of curry leaves. Once the onions turn translucent, add in the seasoning, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. Stir until the raw smell of spices goes off. Next, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of water. Allow to simmer for a few seconds. Then add in the fried mushrooms. Stir and combine the mushrooms with the masala, and our mushroom pepper fry is ready. This dish goes well with hot rice and rotis. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, do try this out and leave your comments. I will be coming up with more interesting recipes. Hope to see you all in our next video. Thank you for watching.